Wow, wow, wow. Okay, this is Graham Bynum, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments, and my company is Uptown 101. So I'm looking at a beautiful kitchen and living room. This is in the Oliver Sawyer Yards. This is their A3 floor plan. It's just beautiful. I just can't get over it. It's so well lit. It's just on, oh, I walked in and I just loved the peaceful vibe I had when I walked in. It just felt fresh. It felt so airy and spacious. I mean, there's so much room here to work with. It's probably, my guess is 900 square feet or more. It feels great. It's just would be the perfect place to have a lot of people over. You literally could have 10 or even more people easily over here and seating them, no problem. I would just maybe add a table right there with 3 or 4 chairs, and you're all set. This is a perfect apartment to enjoy your time here in the Houston Heights. And you'd have a great location here too. It's super close to Washington Avenue. You can walk to it or a quick drive to it for sure. So I'd like to get you more information about this, but the best way to do that really is to do a virtual or in-person tour. So I want to offer to go ahead and send that to you and get that set up for you. It's free. Always, it's a part of our free service. And let me get you a feel of what you think about it. If you like this place, I think you'd love it. It's great. It's one of my favorite places. We can also check out other places in Houston as well, free. So send me a text. That's my number below.